SMKL is a method for maximizing profitability. It's done by visualizing what's happening in your factory, identifying any issues, and then working to improve them. This factory was concerned about operating costs due to high power consumption. However, we didn't know how much power was being consumed by each individual process or line. We measured the power consumption at each point, then visualized it on a dashboard. Using the system, we could find where excessive power was being used, then target our investigations to that area in order to control it. We reduced the factory's total energy consumption by optimizing the operation of each process and line. Finally, the overall energy savings exceeded the cost of implementing the solution. Small steps lead to big growth. That's how we make your intelligent manufacturing even smarter. And it all starts with SMKL from Mitsubishi Electric.